Welcome to Fab-Rite Services, a leader in steel fabrication with 2 prime locations in Cranbrook and Sparwood, British Columbia. Since 1982, Fab-Rite has been dedicated to providing top-notch services to heavy industries across Western Canada and the United States. Our team is our strength. We pride ourselves on our diverse workforce, including the best machinists, millwrights, welders, fabricators, and equipment operators.
At Fab-Rite, we believe in integrity and delivering quality on every project.
Our experience spans over 4 decades, and we continue to grow and innovate.
We offer a complete range of services, from fabrication and machining to structural steel and project management. Whatever your project needs, we have the expertise to deliver. As an ESG-driven company, we are committed to environmental sustainability, social responsibility, and strong governance. We support our communities and prioritize safety and quality in everything we do. With our extensive industrial capacity and state-of-the-art CNC technology, we handle projects of all sizes, ensuring fast turnarounds and reliable service. Fab-Rite Services, built on integrity, driven by experience. Let us put our decades of expertise to work on your next project.